going on here, and let's bring it very directly to law enforcement and first responders. We've talked about a whole bunch of things and some of these firefighting use cases. What other tools in the toolkit does Draganfly provide to that community in particular? And then we'll talk about the military next.
Sure. So, DFR, drone as first responder, to us is an incredibly exciting market, primarily because there's an immediate ROI for public safety. You put a drone up on a 911 call, I've seen varying stats, anywhere from 12 to up to 30% of calls are returned as false alarms. So that stops an ambulance, a police, response, and a fire response, from having to go out and be wasted time. And so it's immediate ROI. So we love that use case. There are fantastic players in this market. We don't do, we have, played with, but we don't do, because there's such great players in the market, the fleet management around it. So you've got other great organizations that we're building channel partner relationships with, but we're really tailoring our drones to fit in with their software. So again, as we go back to that, I won't mention any names at this point, but with those channel partners that we're working with, we're trying to bring them best-in-class drones and supporting software to their core value of doing DFR. So we do have extensive efforts and work going on in Texas in DFR and in medical delivery. So as I kind of promote all the time that Draganfly was the first drone that saved a human life, and that sits on permanent display in the Smithsonian. So, we've sold, over 10,000 drones to hundreds of public safety organizations. And so, being able to reapproach them and talk to them about DFR and the advantages, we think is a great market that we can bring significant value to. But, again, whether it's loudspeakers on drones, or whether it's DFR, or whether it's vital intelligence, or whether it's emergency delivery, this is the stuff that really gets our engineers and our salespeople going. This is the stuff that we care about.